Going to the vet to get nails done. And they're talking to each other. See, they love each other and they talk to each other. And these are their awesome plexiglass cages that we got. Hello. Hello. He's talking to you, Miguel. Miguel's the Catalina. And Fancy is the cockatoo. And then don't forget Gracie the cockatoo. Getting her nails done too. And her beak. Because she gets scissor beak. I don't know if you can tell right now, but one side gets longer than the other on the bottom. So they have to take care of that. It takes about 6 months to a year for it to grow.